Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into best FavePay credit cards to link. So let's dive into it. If you want smarter reward with everyday FavePay purchase, the easiest hack is linking the right credit card. FavePay works best with Visa card, so start there. Pick a Visa card that already gives cashback or miles on everyday spending, because when you pair it with your FavePay owns cashback, you basically stack two rewards at once. Cards like the HSBC Revolution, UOB Preferred Platinum, or any minimum spend cashback card usually gives the smoothest, most rewarding combo for dining, shopping, and daily transactions. You can also link multiple cards and switch right before paying, which lets you choose the smartest pick for each purchases. More cashback for food, more miles for travels, or low fee for overseas payment. If this actually helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section which of these cards are you trying to link to your FavePay first. And that's it.